Emma's going next.
I just, you can just go.
Don't you dare!
I also got the panda.
You also got the panda?
No way.
So I'm gonna get left out because that's how it always happens. I'm not gonna have the panda.
Uh-oh. Please.
What is that?
Bring it out.
I got the dragon.
I'm just kidding.
You're so naughty. You're so cute. I was the doggy.
Well, my panda's cute.
They're
Good
fed.
hardcore.
No way, I'm left out. Wait, I'm gonna cry.
Vlogger style.
Hello?
You need scissors.
Help
You
me.
need scissors.
Here you go. Here you
Why does it have a beard?
Oh, that smells.
And you thought I was exaggerating.
go. You did. But you did.
Yay! I actually really like the panda. You can have the dog now.
Are you sure?
I know. But he's walking. Yeah, I want the panda.
Wow.
Ruby, what's your dog's name then?
That's so original.
Dog's
It
name is
hurts. What do you think happens with our cookies?
The doggy tail going in his butt. Can you get it in the camera?